Namaste. Now let us see how to do Paschimottanasana. It's like that, placing the forehead on the knees. Try to touch the knees with the head. This asana is very helpful in reducing the fat of stomach. The belly can be reduced very fastly. It increases the flexibility of the spine, strengthens the leg also. But should taken care, if you are having any back pain or hernia, then should not do this asana. Sit on sthiti like this, legs straight. Place the hands together, sit erect, straight. Then place the hands on the knees. While raising the hands, take the breath in, deep breath. Breathe in, then slowly breathe out. Try to catch the legs, the toe of the leg. If you cannot catch, then try to extend like this. Then gradually you can touch the toes. If you are easily able to touch the toes, then gradually further bend downwards. Put the breath out. Then try to touch the knees. Place the hands on the floor. The knees will be on the floor. Then again, catch the hand together, fingers together. Further you can go down, touch the knees, then further extend. Take breath out, breathe in. Come to the back position. Once again we will see how to do this. Straight hands, take breath in, breathe out, hold the fingers, touch the knees on the floor, try to touch the forehead on the knees. Cross the fingers, further go down, breathe in, breathe out, come back to first position. This can be repeated for 5 to 10 times. Initially, if somebody is not having that much flexibility, no problem, you can gradually do this by extending the back. Only the thing you have to see whether you are having any back pain or disc complaints, then should not do this asana. Otherwise it is very helpful for increasing the flexibility of the spine. Namaste.